guys, today we are going to do the no burping challenge. We are going to drink this
with
entire
ginger ale.
Yes.
And it's also soda. You can find it at McDonald's.
Okay, you ready? 3, 2, 1. Don't burp. Don't burp. My lungs hurt.
My tummy's getting full without burping.
It's getting hard to breathe. Don't burp.
I can barely breathe.
It's not finished yet.
Still have like a half of a cup.
Almost there.
Still haven't burped yet.
I finished it.
But you burped.
You're supposed to burp after you do it. But it's okay. Just let it all out.
Hold up.
Come on, buddy. You can do it. You can do it. You can do it, Magnus. Hurry. Drink that thing up. Chug it. Chug it.
It feels good to let that out.
Oh my gosh. Does it feel so
It's
free?
gonna feel like we're at Taco Bell after this.
For real, for real. Well, guys,
I'm sitting
this
on
is
nothing. Exposed.
alright, guys. Go check out my brother's channel. AKA, is it Mighty Magnus?
Mighty Magnus Layman. I got 2.
Because he got. And
But I got
so,
my other channel back.
so that's it for today, guys. Well, not for today. I uploaded like 2 videos. This is the second. So
You uploaded without me, you monster.